Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to scan a photo or a document with Samsung Galaxy S24. So here is my Galaxy S24 Ultra and I want to scan this page. To do this it is very easy. Just go to the photo app and first just tap here in the top on the settings icon and be sure that scan documents and text is enabled. Now go back and put your phone over the page and as you can see here appears a little yellow icon. Just tap on it. And from here you can scan, add to note or copy all. I will tap on scan. And here we have the options to adjust the edges. You can rotate or you can retake. I will tap on save and the document is saved. And now just go to photos and here is my scan. So in my opinion it is very easy to scan a document with this phone. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.